Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now see the level 1 questions on spermatogenesis. Number 1, the conversion of primordial germ cells to sperm cells is known as and the answer is the spermatogenesis. So this is level 1 question, so direct question of the concept. So the answer is spermatogenesis. Next, coming to the second question, conversion of, this is a very important question, conversion of the primordial germ cells to spermatid, because spermatid is the inactive structure and it is said to be the precursor of the sperm cells, and that's known as what? That process is incomplete. Mitosis, meiosis has already occurred, but that's an incomplete process, and that process is known as spermatocytogenesis. This is one point, or very common term which is known as spermatidogenesis. So these are direct questions, they come and you should not expect it to write the wrong answer. Next, number 3, the conversion of the spermatid to an active sperm cell is known as. Here now a transformation process occurs in which there is the conversion of spermatid to the sperm cell, and that process is known as spermiogenesis. It's a very, very important question, spermiogenesis or spermateliosis. So this is another important question. Next, the fourth question in the same series, the process of release of sperm cells into the lumen of seminiferous tubules is known as. This is another important point which marks the ending of the formation of active sperm cell from the inactive spermatid, means round spermatids will be converted into active sperm cells, and that process is known as what? That process is known as spermiation, and this is the marking of the end of the process of spermiogenesis. So that's why it is a very important point. Next, coming to the last question in the series, this point is important. The primary spermatocyte is diploid. This is true or false? The secondary spermatocyte is diploid or haploid? True, false. This type of questions come, and of course the spermatid is diploid or haploid. This question also come. So true, false. So here, to answer this question, always remember the primordial germ cells are converted to different stages of spermatogonial cells, type A, type B, type C, type D. Please do not forget to visit my lecture on spermatidogenesis, spermatocytogenesis or spermiogenesis. There I have given the details. So these are produced as a consequence of mitosis. That's why they are always said to be diploid. Means till primary spermatocyte you say it is diploid. So it's true. But when it is secondary spermatocyte, meiosis 1 has occurred. That's known as the reduction division, where the primary spermatocytes are converted to haploid cells. So here the answer is haploid, means haploid is true. And when I am saying that just after this meiosis, the true reduction division, then the meiosis 2 occur, which is an equational division, where these secondary spermatocytes are converted to spermatid and they are also said to be haploid. And the further, after spermiogenesis, when the sperm cells are produced, they are also haploid. So here the answer is haploid. So here haploid, sperm is also haploid. So this finishes the level 1 questions in basics of spermatogenesis or spermatogenesis. Stay tuned for my level 2 questions.